How AI engine works by providing historical data and forecast parameters. At the end of video live example, analysis of sales forecast, 2019 to 2023 historical data and 2024 to 2028 forecast data from AI engine, DNN, deep neural networks, Python library, and Power BI for management dashboard. Pradeep K. Suri, author and researcher. Here's a comprehensive explanation of how AI engines work by leveraging historical data and forecast parameters, incorporating visuals for clarity. 1. Data ingestion. Historical data. The engine first ingests a large volume of relevant historical data. This includes numerical values, time series data, and text-based information, depending on the domain. 2. Data cleaning and pre-processing. The raw data is cleaned to remove errors, inconsistencies, and missing values. It's then formatted appropriately for the chosen AI model. AI engine cleaning and pre-processing data. 3. Feature engineering. The engine extracts meaningful features from the data that are likely to influence future outcomes. This might involve identifying trends, patterns, correlations, or seasonality. 4. Model selection and training. An appropriate AI model is chosen based on the type of data and forecasting task. Common models include neural networks, example recurrent neural networks for time series data. Decision trees. Support vector machines. Regression models. The model is trained on the historical data to learn the relationships between features and outcomes. 5. Forecast parameters. The user provides specific forecast parameters, such as time horizon, how far into the future to predict. Level of granularity, example hourly, daily, weekly. Confidence intervals, expressing uncertainty in predictions. 6. Forecast generation. The trained model applies its learned patterns to the forecast parameters to generate predictions for the specified time horizon. It outputs the predicted values along with confidence intervals. 7. Continuous learning and improvement. The engine's performance is continuously monitored and evaluated. It adapts to new data and refines its predictions over time, often using techniques like online learning or reinforcement learning. Key considerations. Data quality is crucial for accurate forecasts. Feature engineering can significantly impact model performance. Model selection and parameter tuning require expertise. AI engines are not perfect and can make errors. It's essential to understand the limitations of AI forecasting and use it responsibly. Analysis of data, 2019 to 2023 historical and 2024 to 2028 forecast. The provided data offers valuable insights into the historical revenue of 4 products, A, B, C, and D, from 2019 to 2023 and the forecasted revenue for 2024 to 2028. Here's an analysis of the key trends and observations. Historical data, 2019 to 2023. Product B consistently leads in revenue. Throughout the historical period, Product B generates the highest revenue, showcasing strong market leadership. C's growth and potential challenge to B. Product C exhibits consistent growth, gradually approaching B's revenue level by 2023. This suggests potential competition and a shift in market share dynamics. Volatility in A and D. Products A and D show fluctuations in revenue, experiencing both significant increases and decreases in specific years. This raises questions about the reasons behind these fluctuations and their sustainability. Forecast data, 2024 to 2028. Continued growth for all products. The AI engine predicts a positive revenue trajectory for all products, with a 15% annual increase. B maintains top position. Despite C's strong historical performance, the forecast predicts B will remain the top revenue generator throughout the forecast period. Accelerated growth for B and C, compared to A and D, B and C show a slightly steeper projected growth rate, further solidifying their positions in the market. Overall observations. The data suggests a competitive market with B holding the current lead, followed by C's rapid growth. Products A and D require further investigation to understand the causes of their revenue volatility. The AI forecast provides a positive outlook for all products, although B and C seem to maintain a stronger growth trajectory. Recommendations for further analysis. Market share analysis. Understanding the market share of each product would provide a clearer picture of their competitive landscape. Factor analysis. Investigating the reasons behind revenue fluctuations, example product launches, market trends, external factors, can offer valuable insights. Sensitivity analysis. Exploring how the forecast might change under different assumptions, example varying growth rates, economic shifts, can enhance its robustness. By delving deeper into these elements, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the historical and predicted revenue trends, enabling informed decision-making for future strategies. Here's a list of additional data that could significantly improve the accuracy and precision of forecasts generated by an AI engine. 1. Units sold. Knowing the number of units sold for each product in each year would allow the AI to model the relationship between sales volume and revenue. This could reveal insights into pricing strategies, product demand, and factors influencing sales fluctuations. 2. Market share. Understanding each product's market share would provide context for its revenue performance. It would allow the AI to assess the competitive landscape, identify trends in market dominance, and anticipate potential shifts in consumer preferences. 3. External factors. Data on economic indicators, example GDP, inflation, interest rates, industry trends, consumer sentiment, and competitor activities could help the AI identify external influences on revenue. This would enable it to account for external shocks, anticipate market changes, and adjust forecasts accordingly. 4. Product features and marketing. Information about product features, pricing, marketing campaigns, and customer reviews could reveal insights into the drivers of demand and revenue. The AI could analyze the impact of product changes, marketing strategies, and customer feedback on revenue outcomes. 5. Customer demographics and preferences. Understanding customer demographics, example age, gender, location, buying patterns, and preferences would allow the AI to personalize forecasts and identify potential growth segments. It could uncover untapped markets or predict shifts in customer behavior. 6. Seasonality. Data on seasonal patterns in sales would enable the AI to model seasonal fluctuations and adjust forecasts accordingly. This is especially important for products that experience significant seasonal variations in demand. 7. Pricing data. Information on pricing strategies, discounts, and promotions would allow the AI to understand the impact of pricing on revenue and predict the effects of future pricing changes. 8. Supply chain data. Data on inventory levels, production capacity, and supply chain disruptions could help the AI account for potential constraints on sales and adjust forecasts accordingly. 9. Customer feedback. Data on customer reviews, ratings, and feedback could reveal insights into product satisfaction, potential issues, and areas for improvement, indirectly influencing revenue forecasts. Incorporating these additional data points would enable the AI engine to create more comprehensive, accurate, and informative forecasts, leading to better decision-making and strategic planning. Thank you.